I have a cordless drill and an extra battery cartridge. I always encounter the problem of losing battery power in the middle of work. I decided to convert one of the battery cartridges to be a power supply adapter. In that way, I will have two options. I can use my drill cordless or corded in any situation. I need to keep the contacts on the PCB, but the battery must be removed. Since it is a power connection that has big metal contacts, I need to use the big soldering tip. Adjusting the heat suitable for soldering big contacts. Make sure the polarity is correct for the color of the wires. Since I removed the battery, I need to replace it with a piece of wood to keep the board and the contacts in the right position. Now it's time to test it. And we are done.